Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've got the basics ready, now start pairing. Open the Google Home app and tap Plus to add a device, then choose Set Up Device. Once done, the app scans for the Nest Hub. Accept the code shown on the screen to verify. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the hub so they can communicate. You're initiating the secure link. This step establishes account ownership and enables voice features, so follow prompts exactly and grant required permissions. Once connected, configure core settings to make the hub useful. You'll assign a room and device name so commands stay organized. Then enable voice match so the hub recognizes you and gives personalized info. Make sure to allow personal results, location, and calendar access if you want weather, reminders, and commute times. Next, link music, video, and smart home services. This lets you ask for playlists or control lights. Take a moment now. These choices finish by testing key functions so you know everything works. Ask for the time, weather, and play a song. If voice commands respond correctly, adjust display brightness and ambient photo frame preferences for daytime and night mode. Make sure Do Not Disturb is set for sleeping hours. If something fails, try a reboot first. If persistent, rejoin your Wi-Fi network. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This clears settings so you can repeat setup cleanly. That single tip solves most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.